North Korea says it has successfully tested a nuclear-capable undersea attack drone designed to create massive radioactive waves when detonated below the surface, hitting fleets of enemy ships or coastal areas. It's dubbed the Hae, or tsunami in Korean. These images from North Korea's state-run media show leader Kim Jong Un standing next to a large torpedo-like object, which it didn't identify, and the object exploding underwater. But how capable could such a weapon be? Kim Dong-yub is with the University of North Korean Studies in Seoul, South Korea.
이 거리는 북한의 어떤 항구에서
The distance makes it capable of attacking almost any port in South Korea where the US Army is located, even if it's launched from any port in North Korea.
이것을 수상함정의
But it's not just that.
이것은
The North said it could be carried by ships. If it's carried by a ship, camouflaged as a merchant ship, it can hit Japan's Yokosuka port, where the US Army is, or even further, like Guam, which is very worrisome.
실질적으로 재래식이긴 하지만
It's conventional, but it's very hard to detect.
물체입니다. 그리고
Also, it's highly likely not to make big noises.
많기 때문에 그리고
North Korea had planned this 11 years ago and conducted secret tests for about 50 times over 2 years.
연습을
I would say the weapon system should be pretty solid.
이 무기 체계에 대한 완성도가 있다는 겁니다.
North Korea made the announcement as South Korea and the U.S. conducted joint military drills in the region. The North says it did not use a nuclear payload in the drone test, and a U.S. official, speaking anonymously to Reuters, said there was no indication of one. It's not clear if North Korea has fully developed the kind of miniaturized nuclear warhead needed to fit its smaller weapons. Regardless, the Carnegie Endowment for International Peace, the Washington, D.C. think tank, has said the concept of the Hae is similar to Russia's Poseidon nuclear torpedo, which both American and Russian officials have described as an emerging class of weapon that can render coastal cities uninhabitable. And according to the think tank, the Hae demonstrates that Pyongyang wants to show off an increasingly diverse range of nuclear threats to its enemies. South Korean military officials said they were analyzing the North's claims.